Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the Triumph Daytona 675, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto, the Adventure Force Edition. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Triumph Daytona 675 diecast motorcycle replica comes in the blister pack card type packaging. So as you can see on this top corner of the packaging, you will find the Adventure Force motorcycle branding. And on this bottom corner, you will see the Maisto logo. And finally, on the back of the packaging, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model along with the Adventure Force branding. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this opened. So to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a decent and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. And the sculpt, the detail and finish on this replica is quite decent and sure will make a good addition to your collection. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this Triumph Daytona 675 replica comes with a black chassis with a red color scheme which is prominent all throughout this model, along with some minimalistic Triumph branding. This replica comes with a gold and chrome steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of the color theme on this replica. And this model also comes with a pair of well-detailed headlights, which is a part of the front firing unit, which has a clear plastic visor, a speedometer and some minimalistic branding, which we will get to in a bit. And this unit flows into a chrome handlebar with a pair of black hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers which are in chrome. Moving down is the red front fender that wraps around a beautiful all black alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with a double disc brake unit which is in silver. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in red with the Triumph logo on both sides which are in white and black along with the Daytona branding. The tank also comes with a fuel cap which is painted in silver which seamlessly flow together as a single unit. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well-detailed engine sculpt which is wrapped around with a race-style firing with a pair of front turn signals on them along with the Daytona triple branding which is in silver, which looks stunning and adds some good details. And this replica comes with a single underseat exhaust which is in chrome with the rest of the midsection components in black and silver. And talking about the seat, it's a single race-style seat which is in black that flows into a well-sculpted tailpiece unit which has the 675 logo branding on it on both sides. The tailpiece unit also has a tail light, a pair of rear turn signals and a number plate. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front but comes with a chain and sprocket unit along with a single disc brake unit which is in silver. And just so you know, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension unlike the front which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2.5 inches in width and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Triumph Daytona 675, and I'm glad I got this replica to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica with some awesome details and is a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Triumph enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. Let's place this amazing and well-detailed Triumph Daytona 675 replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this Triumph motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. And with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the D-Nation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Triumph Daytona 675 coming up. Introduced in 2006, the Triumph Daytona 675 is a 3-cylinder sports bike and the smallest of the Triumph triples built by Triumph Motorcycles. It replaced their 4-cylinder Daytona 650. The 675 proved to be remarkably light, nimble and powerful at a maximum of 128 bhp. It was also very quick, and it was very successful against the Japanese 600cc competition. In 2016, Triumph ceased production of the base model Daytona 675, citing diminishing demand for super sports bike and increasingly strict European emission standards. Triumph continued to produce the up-spec Triumph Daytona 675R model until the 2018 model year. Triumph filed a new trademark for the Daytona, fueling rumors that there may be a future version sporting the new 765cc engine. Triumph Daytona 675 development started in 2000 following the launch of the 4-cylinder TT600. The TT600 was Triumph's modern middleweight sports motorcycle, but it struggled to compete with the Japanese 600cc sports motorcycles. So Triumph decided to make a bike closer to its traditional values, making the crucial technical decision to adopt a 3-cylinder power plant instead of a 4-cylinder as the TT600. And for further information on the Triumph Daytona 675, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Triumph Daytona 675 replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Triumph diecast replica. And in case you're interested and missed out on our previous episodes, kindly do check out the rest of the 112 scale and the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.